A drone swarm is more than just a large group of unmanned aerial systems. It's a network of dozens, or even hundreds, of individual agents operating in tight coordination. Unlike a simple mass of drones, a true swarm exhibits emergent behavior, where the collective is far more capable than the sum of its parts. This coordination is governed by a set of rules, often inspired by natural swarms like flocks of birds or schools of fish. Each drone follows simple instructions: maintain a safe distance from its neighbors, align its direction and speed, and stay close to the group. From these basic rules, complex, intelligent, and adaptive group actions emerge without a central puppeteer dictating every move. They function together as one intelligent entity, sharing information across a resilient mesh network. If one drone is lost, the swarm adapts, rerouting communications and reallocating tasks to achieve its common objective. The core strategic principle is simple yet devastating, using mass combined with intelligent coordination to overwhelm an adversary's defenses. Even the most advanced air defense systems, designed to engage a handful of sophisticated threats, can be confused, saturated, and ultimately defeated by a cloud of coordinated attackers. This is amplified by heterogeneity. Swarms can mix roles, with some drones providing reconnaissance, others conducting electronic jamming to blind enemy sensors, and a third group executing kinetic strikes. This creates a profound economic imbalance. The conflict is no longer between a few expensive, exquisite platforms, but between multi-million-dollar interceptors and swarms of cheap, expendable, and easily produced systems. This analysis will examine the mechanics, strategy, and profound challenges that swarms pose to modern warfare, exploring how this new paradigm threatens to inundate sensors, exhaust missile stockpiles, and fundamentally reshape the economics of defense. The effectiveness of a swarm is its coordinated, collaborative behavior, not just many drones, a mobile, intelligent network. Simple rules govern behavior relative to neighbors and objectives. Maintain distance, follow leaders, converge on marked targets. Distributed intelligence makes the swarm resilient to losses. Low-cost components, GPS motors, cameras, processors, enable scale. Attackers field many drones for a fraction of a single aircraft. Heterogeneous swarms coordinate roles and adapt dynamically. This collaboration strains defenders' bandwidth, time, and resources. Swarm warfare imposes a ruinous cost-exchange ratio on the defender. A small attack drone can cost thousands or less. Interceptors can cost tens of thousands to millions. Even a successful defense can be an economic defeat. Hundreds of drones for the price of a few interceptors. Engage and deplete stockpiles, or hold fire and risk damage. The attacker wins by destruction, or by bankrupting defense over time. Missiles need industry. Drones can be built in workshops at speed. Rapid replacement sustains pressure. Defenders face long lead times. Modern air defense systems are marvels of engineering, built around powerful radars that scan the skies to detect threats and guide interceptors with precision. These systems create a protective bubble, a digital shield designed to stop conventional aircraft and missiles. But every shield has a breaking point. The processing capacity of these systems is finite. Each can only maintain a set number of track files at once. Swarms are engineered to exploit this fundamental limit. When hundreds of simultaneous targets inundate the sensor, the system's ability to detect and track each one begins to degrade. The crucial process of classification falters. Is it a bird, a decoy, or a real threat? The screen becomes a blizzard of ambiguous data, making it impossible to prioritize effectively. This target overload forces operators into a desperate triage, trying to service a threat count that far exceeds the system's designed engagement capacity. Fire control channels, the pathways to guide interceptors, become a critical bottleneck. Swarms compound this problem by being inherently difficult to see. Built from small composite materials, they present a minimal radar cross-section, appearing as faint, fleeting blips. Their low and slow flight profile allows them to hide in the ground clutter, the noisy radar returns from trees, buildings, and terrain, or be dismissed as harmless natural phenomena. Coordinated, Multi-axis attacks further strain defenses, forcing a radar to divide its attention and resources, looking everywhere at once and excelling at nothing. Ultimately, this technological saturation becomes a cognitive problem. Under immense time pressure, the human operator is paralyzed by an avalanche of information. By flooding the system with data, the swarm methodically breaks the defender's decision-making loop. Their ability to observe, orient, decide, and act. The shield cracks. Finite interceptors, the problem of emptying the quiver. Launchers and ships carry limited missiles, dozens at most. A swarm explicitly targets this limit. Each shot shrinks the magazine and deepens the dilemma. Reloading takes time and exposes crews and supply lines. Sophisticated attackers time successive waves to exploit reload windows. No matter how good the missile, it works only if any remain. Swarms absorb attrition. Defenders cannot afford waste. Many cheap drones versus few costly interceptors is core to the threat. For decades, the concept of autonomous drone swarms was confined to military labs and science fiction, but recent conflicts have abruptly shifted this threat from the theoretical to the terrifyingly real. The age of swarm warfare is no longer on the horizon. It has arrived, and it is reshaping the fundamental dynamics of modern combat. The 2020 Nagorno-Karabakh conflict served as a stark wake-up call. Here, the mass use of Turkish-made Bayraktar TB2 drones, alongside Israeli loitering munitions, systematically dismantled Armenian ground forces. These relatively low-cost aerial platforms executed a textbook suppression of enemy air defenses campaign, hunting down and destroying tanks, artillery, and radar systems with precision. The lesson was clear and sent shockwaves through the world's militaries. Even heavily armored forces were dangerously vulnerable from above. This new reality has been amplified in Ukraine, which has become a live-fire laboratory for drone and counter-drone warfare at an unprecedented scale. Both sides have innovated rapidly, deploying everything from cheap commercial quadcopters for reconnaissance and artillery spotting to sophisticated, purpose-built munitions for direct attacks on high-value targets. We've seen Russia use large volleys of Iranian-designed Shahed drones in saturation raids, aiming to overwhelm air defenses and drain expensive interceptor missiles. This highlights the brutal economic logic of swarm-like attacks, where defenders are forced to spend millions to counter threats that cost only thousands, severely straining their defensive capacity and logistics. Beyond state-on-state conflict, non-state actors like the Houthis in the Red Sea have adopted these tactics, using coordinated waves of drones and missiles against international shipping and naval warships. These real-world examples demonstrate how mass and coordination can challenge even the most advanced multi-billion-dollar defense systems, a tactical evolution that has now proliferated to state proxies and armed groups globally. Militaries are fielding a new generation of countermeasures. No single system suffices. A multifaceted approach is essential. Electronic warfare disrupts links and navigation, breaking swarm cohesion. Guns and missiles remain vital, adapted to engage small, fast targets. New, smaller guided missiles aim to lower the cost per kill. Lasers offer speed-of-light engagements and deep, power-based magazines. Range and weather limit them now, but fielding has begun. Microwaves can neutralize several drones at once. Cyber methods may hijack or safely down drones. AI accelerates detection, classification, and weapon pairing. Defeating sophisticated swarms requires layered defense in depth. Multiple overlapping rings with diverse capabilities. Jam command links and GPS. Use early warning to disrupt cohesion. Direct lethal systems thin the swarm before it closes. Automation manages volume and speeds decisions. Point defense fights off leakers at close range. Combined layers create redundancy and resilience. No single failure is fatal. Progressive attrition turns a mass assault into a manageable threat. Drone swarms fundamentally alter the calculus of air defense. They leverage mass, coordination, and low cost to overwhelm legacy systems. Saturate radars, overload fire control, exploit interceptor economics. Contemporary conflicts prove this is a present reality. An urgent race is underway. Swarms evolve, defenses adapt. Attackers pursue autonomy, resilience, and smarter coordination. Defenders counter with EW, directed energy, kinetic interceptors, and AI. Quantity and adaptability now shape strategy. Nations that innovate, technologically, doctrinally, and financially, will define the next era of air defense.